this lecture, let us discuss about cryptarithmetic problem. Arithmetic problem is a kind of encryption problem where the given message, the message which is in the form of alphabets, that will be encrypted into non-readable format. So here, see, the message is in alphabetical form. So if anything is in the form of plain text, then that can be understood by any person, right? So it is easily readable as well as understandable also. So in order to make it more secure, we need to convert the text into some encrypted form. So here we are taking the text which is represented in alphabets. We are converting that into numeric form. So which is neither easily readable nor understandable. And how to convert this means, so these are the rules that we can use for conversion. First rule is every character or letter must have unique or distinct value. Say for example, if I assign a value to one particular character A, say 2 is assigned to this, then you can't assign the same value to another character. So here we can assign this to only to A but not to any other character. So every character must be unique, and the values of character, they cannot be changed. So here A value is assigned as 2. A value is 2. So this value should remain the same throughout the problem. So we can't change it in the middle. Or we can't take one A value as 2 in one place and 3 in some other place. And third one, starting character of number cannot be 0. So here this is not allowed. So starting value of the character, it should not be 0. So you need to write it as 341 instead of 040341. And problem will have only one solution. And say suppose if there is any addition of two numbers, then the carry should only be 1. After replacing all the characters with numbers, then you need to check, you need to perform arithmetic computations. So if you get correct result for the arithmetic operation, then we can say that the replacement was done correctly. Let us see this example. Here our input is as plus is producing C. So if you observe, this input has two characters. So in as we have two characters as well as is also two characters, whereas in the output we have three characters. So if this is a scenario, then in that case we need to consider carry for the leftmost bit in the output. That means we should get carry here. So adding A and I values, it should produce a carry bit. So here from this, it is clear that value of S is 1. So go to the rightmost part, and wherever we have S, replace S with 1. So replace S with 1. And in table also, assign 1 to S. Done. So here adding S and S should give you A. So here you can see S value is 1. So 1 plus 1 means 2. So what is value of A now? It is 2. So let us replace this, let us assign 2 to A in the table. Check whether A is existing anywhere in the input. So here we have A, right? So assign 2 to A. Now 2 plus I, it should give you E. So have to assign values here. So first, start from the largest bit. So here largest bit is 9. So largest digit which is available is 9. So if you replace 2, this I with 9, then we are getting 2 plus 9. So what is 2 plus 9? This is 11, right? So as per our requirement, adding these two values, it is producing carry. So first part is fine. But here, if you consider this 11, then E value becomes 1. So 2 plus 8 is 11. So carry bit and E is 1 is assigned to E. But can we assign like this? As per our rules, we can assign one value to only single alphabet. So we can't assign the same value to more than one alphabet, right? So this one is already assigned to S. So how can we assign it to E again? Not possible, right? So this is not possible. Now we need to check the other possibility. So what is the next available largest number? That is 8. So check. So by replace this I with 8 and check whether it is satisfying the given condition or not. So 2 plus 8 equal to 10. So here it is producing carry bit. So, okay. And now what is the value of E? E value is 0. So check whether 0 is assigned to any character or alphabet till now. No. So you can give it to E. So let us assign 0 to E in the table. And you can take I value as 8. So now we replaced all the alphabets with numbers. So let us check whether, so what is that 6 point? Once all the characters are replaced with numbers, you need to check whether arithmetic operations are correct or not. So whether after calculating arithmetic operation, you are getting right result or not. So let us check that. Here we got 2, 1. I value is 8, 1. Add these two. So 1 plus 1 is 2. 8 plus 2 is 10. So we got this. So check whether C. So here also we got S value as 1, E value as 0, and A value as 2. So that means we got the right result.